You have to come to a full and complete stop at stop signs and red lights. This means there's no movement. The car is at rest. You don't have to stop for very long, just a brief moment will do, but you definitely have to come to a complete stop. If you don't come to a complete stop, it's an automatic failure. Ask yourself, did the scenery stop moving? Now obviously, the scenery's not moving, the car is. But when you're riding inside a car and the car's moving and you're looking out the window, it looks like the scenery is passing you by. So one way you can tell if you've come to a complete stop is to notice, did the scenery stop moving? Here's a look at a complete stop, illustrating when the scenery stops moving. So look out the windows, look at the bushes and trees and stuff that I'm passing by. When I come to a complete stop, you'll see that the scenery stops passing by. That's a complete stop. In this next example, we're going to look at an incomplete stop, and you'll notice that the scenery does not stop moving. So keep looking out the window. You'll see the bushes and houses and stuff passing by. I come up at the stop sign, but nothing stops. The scenery keeps passing by. I ran that stop sign, which is an automatic failure. Here's another view of that same stop where I failed to stop. And you'll see when I come to the stop sign, I come close to stopping, but I never actually stop. That's an automatic failure. You need to come to a complete stop.